What's happening? What's good, everybody? Welcome to another session of What the Charts Say Sunday with your host, Don Bucks. This is brought to you by Rap and Dough, the home of money conversations, the dopest financial literacy platform on the internet. Y'all know this already, though. But we're about to get into this chart. If y'all was tapped in Friday on Chief and Chart, I kind of alluded to what's going on already, but make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button so y'all won't miss another episode of Chief and Chart or What the Chart Say Sunday. So this is the daily chart of the SPY, and y'all know we got to look at the SPY. Why? Because it is a representation of the overall market. It is 500 of the top companies in the country. So whatever the SPY is doing, a lot of the rest of the market is doing. So Friday, as y'all can see, this large range bar that resulted from bouncing off of this moving average of the Bollinger Band. But we also see a new high in the MACD. So you'd have been positioned for this on one of these red bars here, because this happened. This beginning of this new high in the MACD began on this bar here, right? So, when I talk about momentum divergences, we're looking for when there's a momentum divergence to the upside with the new high in the MACD, we're looking for entry. We're trying to find where to get in here because we have our levels already marked off. If you haven't took my course yet, make sure you hit the about section of this channel and get a hold of this course so you'll have a better understanding of what I'm talking about here. So, you got to draw your levels, which are support and resistance levels. So Friday, we broke a level. In natural price action, there's going to be a pullback, a retracement, a test of this level that it just broke. Because it's resistance, once it's broken, now it becomes support. So we're looking for this to test this level and keep going. So in order to see that, we have to drop down into a trading time frame. So let's drop down into my favorite at the moment, which is the 2 hour. And look at this. This is the 2 hour. So that one big green bar that we just was looking at in the daily is now broken down into 4 bars. So as we can see here, it's beginning to pull back. We wasn't able to see that in the daily, but being that we dropped down, we can see what's going on in that bar, and it's represented here in these 4. 1, 2, 3, and here's the 4th one. So y'all know what I say about 3 or more bars in one direction. Look for a pullback. And here's a classic example of that. 1, 2, 3, here's the pullback. So what I'm looking for Monday, or we should be looking for Monday, based off of what we see here in the price action and the Bollinger Band, that it's a bit extreme. So not only do we have the recipe of 3 bars and the pullback, it's also pulling back because it's at the extreme level of the Bollinger Band. And y'all know, once it goes to the extreme level of the Bollinger Band, the top or the bottom, it's going to come back in. So here it is beginning to come back in. I'm looking forward to stop around the level that it broke and then keep going. That's what I'm looking for. That's what the edge calls for. That's what the chart is saying. We got a new high in the MACD on the 2 hour as well. So we're geared towards the upside, right? But we want to see how much weakness, how much of a pullback are we going to get before we can enter. Because this is, we want to enter on momentum divergences, which is new high in the MACD going to the upside with weakness. So we're going to wait. That's where the patience comes in at. I can't even talk right now. That's where the patience comes in. We're going to be waiting to see how much weakness, right, before we enter. So I'm looking forward to terminate here and then start turning green. So when it turns green, you can possibly go down to the half an hour, which is the relatable time frame of the 2 hour, and watch how much weakness we're going to get. So wait, right? Wait. I'm only waiting until we get to about here. If it goes below here, the edge is gone. If it goes below here, the edge is gone that we had going to the upside. So I'm looking forward to stop here at the furthest before it starts turning green again. I really wanted to stop here, but this is the last. If it goes below here, I'm out. If I was in it, right? If I decided to wait, no, not even in it. If I decide to wait for this weakness and it drops, the weakness goes all the way down here. Too much weakness. The edge is gone for that particular play, right? But if it drops and this momentum is still to the upside, I'm waiting for it to stop and turn green. Then I'm taking it to the next level up. I'm going to do at least 4 days to 2 weeks out to the next level, the very next level up. So if it stops here and turns green, my next level up is 372. So I'll be doing a 372 strike price from here because that's the next level up. I'll take profit right here, wait for it to set up again. If these parameters stay the same, MACD is still to the upside. I'll wait for some more weakness, wait for it to turn green again, hop in, take it to the next level up. That's how we do this. It's an oversimplified way, but if you want the deep dive, like I said, make sure you hit the about section, grab the course, and go in. But that's what we're looking at for Monday. We're looking at more weakness in this momentum divergence before it continues to the upside. And we're looking like we're going to be testing 379 if everything remains the same this week. Not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but with this momentum to the upside, that's what it looks like. We may be testing this week. All right, so that's what the charts say. Hopefully y'all are practicing paper trading. All right, if you aren't paper trading and would like to paper trade, I also have a link for Webull because that's what I use in this small account challenge that I'm working. Webull, they give you $1 million of free money. You can practice because that's what we need to get these eyes and get these skill sets mastered. All right, so I'll see y'all tomorrow on Cheap and Sharp and dope trading this week. See y'all tomorrow.